Ocean freight is often the most budget-friendly mode of international transportation. But to take advantage of this money-saving method, it's important to have a thorough understanding of your supply chain. From critical dates that your products need to be available in market, to the time involved in manufacturing and actually transporting goods in time to meet those important dates, there's a lot to keep track of. In addition to timing, multiple freight forwarding activities are important components of a successful international ocean freight shipment, including customs, drayage, and often warehousing. That's where the operators at PGL come in to provide peace of mind that the many hurdles that may be encountered along the way are cleared. The PGL team puts focus on the customer and is agile enough to flex with their needs. Using the depth and breadth of our experience will always pay off, avoiding many pitfalls before they happen, and having a trusted expert in your corner for when the unexpected happens makes all the difference.